Over 1 million people worldwide die by suicide each year. This is according to the findings of the International Association for Suicide Prevention and World Health Organization. This brings the global suicide rate to 16 per 100,000 population, which means that on average, one person dies by suicide every 40 seconds somewhere in the world. About 1.8% of worldwide deaths are suicide-related, and global suicide rates have increased to 60% in the past 45 years. In Nigeria, the numbers of suicide have increased as living standards of citizens have grown progressively worse. About 7 million people are now at risk of succumbing to suicide annually due to depression. This is another stark statistics from the World Health Organization, which also estimates that 322 million people live with depression worldwide. Nigeria is ranked with 15.1% on the suicide per 100,000 populations per year and the 30th most suicide-prone countries in the world. It is a far departure from years back when Nigerians were considered the happiest people in the world. There is an urgent need to address this growing number of suicide deaths in Nigeria. Advocacy groups and psychosocial support groups have sprung up and are collaborating with well-meaning Nigerians to provide succor for many who feel their lives have spiraled out of control. The consensus among these support groups is that the federal government needs to do more to sensitize the general public on the need to watch out for the others.
We are creating awareness on suicide. We need to sensitize the public on the need to voice out whenever they are voiceless.
We have come to understand that one of the things we have to do is to stand up for the voiceless. Because if you ask, one of the basic reasons why people kill themselves is because there is no one to stand for them. So basically, I'm here to see that we put an end to suicide.
Nigerians are not known for suicide. So it's because of the economic situation they find themselves. That is why they are thinking that suicide is the best option. Suicide is never an option for any situation you find yourself.
The support groups want people battling with depression to know that there is a solution for their problem if only they are willing to talk about it.